Good morning, everybody out there. It's about 11:10 a.m. on Saturday, March 27th. I'm going to do a little technical analysis on Bitcoin USD, talk about the crazy week we've had, and go from there. So let's just cut out all the noise because there's a lot of opinions in the realm of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. Basically, I'm just going to make a little video here to talk about the long-term uptrend we had, which was here. And then we have our long-term downtrend that it is currently in. So we're going to put a line and we're going to come down like this. Now, on this trend, you can see that it broke out and everybody freaked out. It came down into this $50,000 range. I wouldn't freak out about that. Everybody thought the sky was falling. All right, back to the chart. I got in a trade just as I was getting ready to make this video. Long story short, I entered here. I can bring this back to what I was going to talk about, and it happened is I was looking for an entry in this position, looking for the breakout of the short-term trend, which I got absolutely. So we got the breakout, and I took some profit coming into 56,250, which is this range right here. What I was going to talk about in my technical analysis is that this got bought up and needed to break this short-term downtrend, and we had a long-term downtrend as we were talking about. I expect this to get real strong, but our next place that we need to get over is going to be up in this 57.6 range on the long-term downtrend from the highs, right? So if we can get over that, I think Bitcoin can really get moving. I think the money's just going to pour in. So that's where I think, but you have to take profit as you go, of course. So I got in here, I took profit in this candle here, and then I took an ad when it dipped down. Let me go back to the 5-minute chart here. I took an ad on the dip to 55.7 after I took profit in my trade here. Okay, I said I was going to take profit between 56.2 and 56.4 on my live stream on YouTube. And then I said I had an ad that I was going to buy back in if it came back down in, and it picked me up right there. 55.7 is where I was in, and I'm back in the green. Hopefully we're going to get a push up here to 57 in the test of this downtrend. And of course, I'm going to take profit along the way. I'll start taking some profit in here, because it's going to want to bounce when it comes into that level, most likely, at least once. And then I'll buy some more if it dips down, and we'll keep chasing it. So that's my technical analysis on it, as far as you can see. And we'll go back to this chart here. This is what I was talking about. We have our long-term uptrend, which it broke, and then this is a typical move for the stock market, to break the long-term uptrend and then get bought back up, come in and test, and then break out. And that's what it's trying to do right now. So the red is the short-term downtrend, and the green line is the long-term downtrend from the highs a few weeks ago. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick technical analysis on Bitcoin USD. Like I said, I'm in a trade currently, so hopefully it works out for me. And, well, that's it. Thanks, guys.